Why smoking is harmful? What happens when we quit smoking? Must watch till end to get answer to these questions. A cigarette is generally made up of 3 parts. Cigarette filter, also called cigarette butt. Then there is a white rolling paper wrapped around dried and processed tobacco leaves. Of Nicotiana, they become plant. Now, what happens when a tobacco is lit? When a tobacco is lit, the chemical toxins present in it directly affects our respiratory system. Cigarette smoke, when passes through cigarette filter, some harmful chemicals get trapped in it, whereas more than 4,000 harmful chemicals are passed inside our body. As its consequence, it leads to lung cancer. In addition to it, the harmful bacteria leads to swelling up of bronchial tubes of lung and removes cilia, which leads to excessive production of mucus, so bronchial tubes get blocked, thus leads to chronic bronchitis. Now these bacteria also damages our orb-like alveoli in lungs, which narrows the path for transportation of oxygen, hence leading to emphysema. Chronic bronchitis and emphysema are collectively called chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD. As a smoker consuming the tobacco, it squints eyes and pulls its lip, which makes it look old. What happens when we quit smoking? After 20 minutes of quitting tobacco, blood pressure and pulse return to normal. After 24 hours, that is 1 day, lungs begin to clear and harmful bacteria are destroyed. After 2 days, there is no nicotine left in the body. Therewith, taste and smell improve. After 3 days, breathing becomes easier. In addition, energy increases. 2 to 12 weeks later, circulation improves. And soon, 3 to 9 months later, coughs, wheezing and breathing improves and lungs become healthier. 5 years later, your chances of getting heart attack is half that of a smoker. 10 years later, your risk of lung cancer is half that of a smoker. So quit now, it is never too late. And yes, don't think of it as quitting, think of it as gaining. For quitting tobacco, contact today. Phone number 0800-612-0011. Website www.yorkshiresmokefree.nhs.uk. Yorkshire